Yeah, get my focus right. Or better still, let me zoom in and get as close as I can to you, because today's topic is very sensitive. Let's get right into it. If you're a YouTuber like myself and you're struggling with subscribers and views, don't worry. This is something that always happens to most of us. I'm still in the same pool with a lot of videos. And if I say a lot of videos, comparatively to some YouTubers, I don't know if they delete them, but mostly I'll find YouTubers having fewer videos as compared to mine. I have over like 200 videos now on my YouTube channel, and I've been amassing fewer rates of views as well as subscribers each day. But something actually keeps me going. And if you feel discouraged because you don't get the results that you probably work hard for in return, it's quite normal. It is, because I also suffer the same fate. Being a YouTuber in Ghana and creating content on filmmaking and photography, you will never ever find it easy, because it is real tough. It's real tough. And I'm sure that you're also going through that. That's the reason why I clicked on this video. And if that's the case, I'm going to go through some few things or some points that actually keeps me going, because it's not supposed to be easy. YouTube is difficult because a lot of creators are here and it's a very competitive platform to be on. And I've got you. I want to take you through some points that keeps me going, and I hope it lifts up your spirit as well, so that you can also keep on creating. So the first point I want to talk about is that if you don't treat YouTube as a job, you never get far. So let's just look at it like a 9-to-5 job, all right? You wake up in the morning, let's say 7 o'clock, get your shower, you get yourself ready, you take your breakfast, and you head on to work, because you don't want to miss out on something, or you don't want to get your boss firing you, or you don't want to run the risk of losing your job. You get what I mean? If you look at YouTube the same way and you are very serious about it each and every day, thinking about what do I need to accomplish today? I have a YouTube channel. What am I giving my viewers to want to watch my channel even more, or also to attract more subscribers? That's what I have to look at. I treat my YouTube channel like my job. Trust me. I've put a lot aside, sacrificed a lot of things, and I try my best to consistently post on YouTube. I upload videos daily. I did that, I think I started last year, and I was able to upload in one particular month 25 videos. Trust me, I only missed 5 days, and I was posting each and every day a single video. Maybe in one particular day I'll post 2 or not, but I made sure that I was posting consistently, like seriously and literally consistently. And that's what actually pushed me, and people were noticing my YouTube channel, because I don't have a lot of followers on Instagram relatively, but anytime I upload any content onto my YouTube channel, I put a piece or I stitch some interesting parts that will definitely make someone want to go and watch it on my YouTube channel on my Instagram page. Then if it amasses a lot of interest, they jump onto my YouTube channel, because I have that also linked up there in my bio on Instagram. So that's what I normally would do, and people will jump onto my YouTube channel. If they're interested in my content, they can go as far as subscribing to my channel, as well as turning on the post notification button, which you should also do if you haven't. So please do that. So as I post every day, let's say I have 10 subscribers. Initially I could get, let's say, 2 subscribers a day when I started, and it kept me motivated, because if I was going to have 2 subscribers every day and I post, let's say, 10 days, I'm getting 20 subscribers in 10 days, which was good, because when I started, I knew that, of course, as I progressed and I posted a lot of content, the chance of someone watching my YouTube channel or watching a video on my YouTube channel is quite high, because I have a good number of videos on my YouTube channel. And I was also considering that because I'm the genre of photography and filmmaking, I was in competition with others elsewhere, like let's say US, Canada, because most of the YouTube channels I watch were owned by Canadians, US citizens, and a lot of less deprived countries, because of course, comparatively to my country here in Ghana, US is more exposed to a lot of new things before they get over here or we get to know them. So YouTube was an avenue to get me informed beforehand, and sometimes I will create a content without even having the material subject matter in my hand and I'll still create a content because I was always on YouTube and it pushed me. So I made it a point that every single day I'll create content, and that's one thing that you also should look at, and it's going to get you really, really far. Trust me. You can't dispute the second point. No one will do it for you. It is your YouTube channel. You gave it a name, probably your name. And if you don't post on YouTube or you don't post on your channel, who else is going to do it for you? So seeing it as this, I will be watching YouTube channels and I'll be checking the analytics, checking, the number of videos that I've uploaded on their YouTube channel. And I will feel like I am not doing as much, because if someone has over 300 videos, 1,000 videos, and I have just a few videos, let's say 20, 30, 40, and I'm trying to compare myself with this person, how far is that going to take me? Instead of crying over this, I should as well get up, create content, and post it on my channel. So no one's going to do it for you. You need to get up, have that conscious motivation, and put in that effort to create content, because of course, once again, no one's going to do it for you. You have to do it yourself. The third point is, I think, what motivates me the most, and that is project what kind of success you are looking forward to attaining. A lot of YouTube channels have lots of views anytime a video is uploaded, and that's because they've worked over it for a lot of years. Probably you're just starting, or you just started a year ago or two, and you're not getting the same results. And that's because, of course, they've been on YouTube and these creators have understood the algorithm and how it works. And over time, as they created a lot of content, it became as quality as it could be. And that's going to be another point. We're going to talk about quantity and quality, all right? So as they kept on creating, they had a lot of traction, a lot of people, getting each day on their channel and watching a lot of videos that they have actually offered to their viewers. And so looking at this, I was checking out a lot of content on how much YouTubers make and the quality of videos as it changed over time, when they were getting paid, when they were getting revenue off of their videos. And that's exactly what I want to get to, because I have a lot of plans personally that I want to bring into being, but because I don't have enough to afford all the steps and all the procedures to get to where I want to get to, I needed a way to, find funds or funding, and that brought me to the YouTube space. And I've loved the creation or the creative process when it gets to creating content for people to love it and to get people to watch it. And in turn, I am looking forward to creating even much more and getting people employed, as well as creating avenues for others to also want to do something creative in that same process. And that's exactly what I'm projecting myself. In 5 years, in 10 years, I want to see myself doing so great. And to be able to accomplish anything or to bring something to being, of course, it is going to always require or demand funding. So projecting myself, seeing how successful I'm supposed to be in my head, using my imagination, thinking through about how I want to see myself, and sometimes even creating the reality in my head, and that's imagination. It pushes me, it motivates me that I've started something. Why am I going to stop now? When I'm seeing little bit by little bit some results coming in, there's no way that I'm supposed to stop. If I stop, I'm a failure. If I keep on going, I'm definitely going to reach there one day and even surpass that point that I'm hoping to attain. So project how far you want to get to. See yourself successful at what you're doing. If you're doing YouTube, see yourself successful at it, and you're going to be motivated. I hope it works for you too. The next point I want to talk about is quality and quantity. Which one is better than the other? Which one supersedes the other? And I would say it depends on the context you are looking at this from, all right, or the perspective you are viewing these 2 points from. If you're looking at quality and you are starting up as a YouTuber and you don't have the views, and you spend money on quality cameras or cameras that can give you 4K capabilities, 6K capabilities, 8K capabilities, all the light and all that, and you spent all your money on this and you're expecting people to want to watch your videos because you've created your content with the highest resolution, you're really wasting your time, trust me. Sometimes done is better than perfect, let me put it that way. Because if you're looking at perfection and you're not getting the results or the viewership that you're supposed to get in return for that hard work and that much investment that you've made, it's not going to be worth it. It's going to be tiring, because you're going to eventually want to stop because it's going to get difficult. I keep on saying because yeah, I just said it again. Let's brush it away. It's going to be tiring. It's going to be exhausting. And that's where quantity can become superior over here, because here you're not actually considering, how quality your camera should be. And don't get me wrong, if I talk about quality, I'm not necessarily talking about the content. Quality in content can come from where you, let's say you are a travel photographer, travel filmmaker, and you're also a YouTuber, and you're creating content for your viewers, and you travel as far as wherever you want to go, create these contents, and you come back, put it together, edit and post on YouTube, and after 5 days you only have 5 views. It's, of course, relatively, it's not going to be worth it, because you're expecting the viewership to actually complement how much hard work you put into it, how much investment you put into the project. So I would rather say that start by doing little, not spending too much money, or not spending so much of your investment into the creating of the content, but make sure that the content itself holds water. That's what matters here, because quantity doesn't actually apply to the quality of the content. If I'm mixing these up, you should try and bear me out, because here quantity is much more important, because a lot of content that you post on your YouTube channel is going to get YouTube, or the algorithm of YouTube, to realize that you're a consistent uploader or a consistent user or creator. So in one way or the other, as much as your videos are going to be chanced upon often by viewers, you're also going to have the algorithm in your favor, push a lot of content because you consistently post. And that's where quantity becomes superior over quality. So don't always think about, I need to create this perfect, I need to make this very right, I need to get this content as perfectly as I really wish it would be. And if you're going to focus on just that, you're going to find yourself every month not posting as much, and it's going to really discourage you, because you're not going to get the results that will complement the effort that you put in. So think about this. Create a lot of content. Make sure that you're not spending too much until you get the viewership that you're hoping for. And to get the viewership that you're hoping for, you are going to have to post consistently, so that the algorithm will notice you as a consistent uploader. And it's going to be in your favor, like I said. So try that out. The last point to add is that you have to accept the fact that it's not supposed to be easy. It's just like life. Life is not meant to be easy. Other than that, everyone will be successful. That's how it is. So understanding the fact that YouTube is not supposed to be easy. Even look at how the requisite is before you are able to join or you're admitted into the YouTube partnership program. Currently, at the recording of this video, I'm not part of the partnership program. Even looking at the number of videos I've uploaded, I haven't actually gotten the traction and the attention that I want. But I keep on creating. And I understand and I've accepted the fact that it's not supposed to be easy. And until you accept it, you're never going to push yourself. You're never going to get motivated to create. So look at it this way. If everybody was just successful at YouTube, like let's say a social media platform, like let's say TikTok. I've noticed that TikTok here in Ghana, people who dance to videos, who dance to music, who dance and mimic voices, mimic some words muttered out by, unknown people, anonymous people. And when they put it on TikTok, they amass a lot of views. It's like every platform has its kind of viewers, its kind of patronage. YouTube, I realize, is a platform that's very difficult to gain attention. And it's because YouTube pays, and anyone who joins YouTube, most often than not, is looking forward to getting into the YouTube partnership program. And for YouTube to know that they are paying deserving creators, they need to, of course, tighten up the requisite. And the requisite to get into the YouTube partnership program, after the 1,000 subscribers you've attained, you need to ensure that you have 4,000 watch hours or 4,000 hours of watch time before you can join the partnership program. I'm still getting there, and yeah, it has been a very tough journey to tread on, but you're definitely gonna get there. And if everything was so easy on YouTube, how much significance would that have? And how are you going to have confidence in the platform as a whole? So basically, the bottom line is you have to keep on creating, keep on filming. Every idea that you have in mind, just put it down, project yourself being successful at what you're doing and what you're going to attain, of course, and see the significance of all the requisites that you have to surpass or you have to attain before you can join the partnership program and eventually make money or enjoy the revenue from the labor that you put into the work you post out there or you upload onto your YouTube channel. So that is actually what I have to motivate you. You're not alone. I'm also part of the struggle. Every creator, even those who are approved and joined the partnership program, are also going through a lot of ordeal to create content to get people to watch it and make enough or make more than what they made yesterday. So it's something that never ends. Just get motivated, and I always will press on the fact that project yourself being successful, and it's going to motivate you to get there. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification button, as well as give it a like and comment down the comment section so that the algorithm will in turn favor my video. Until next video, I'm going to catch you later. Have a wonderful day. See ya.